video, I'm going to share with you one simple thing that you can do to make any painting better. Looking at my painting back here, it's not completely finished yet, but it's close. What I like to do is step back from the piece, look at it from a distance, and really judge everything that's going on in it. And I pick two things to improve. For example, I look at this piece and I see that the mouth isn't quite as defined, especially on this side. It's not equivalent to this side. So this would be an area over here and through here that I could fix. The second part that I could fix would be the foreshortening in the legs. They don't quite look right. They're just kind of stuck up there. They need to look like they're going back into space and be more dimensional. So those are the two things. And if you pick two things in every painting and then you fix those two things and then you step back and you look at it again and then you pick two more things. So for instance, if I had fixed those two things, my next two things to fix would be I like how the colors are here, but there's not as much color through here. And so this part is really supposed to be as white as up here. So I would fix the whiteness on here. I'd add more white through here and bring a little bit more of this bright color into this area. And so as you can see, if you look at your artwork with a really critical eye and look at it for all the different design elements, for how the colors are matching, how the flow of the piece, and if you're achieving an actual likeness to the animal, if you're doing a pet portrait or some other representational work. And so these are all things to keep in mind, but really the main idea is just to pick two things, fix those two things, and then find two more and keep doing that and repeating that. And once you think the painting is completely finished, step away from it for a day or two and then come back to it and see if you can pick two more things. And I'm a self-taught painter. I have not taken any professional courses to be able to achieve this level of work. And so what I've learned though is by picking two things and then finding two more things, I've been able to teach myself to grow as an artist and make a lot better work in the end. And it's a really simple idea. Just fix two things and then fix two more. All right, well, I hope this helps. See you next time.